Test, test, test. Thank you. Hi, my name is Dan. I'm from Idaho. I'm a former aerospace engineer. I have a degree in mechanical engineering from the University of Idaho. And I have two things I want to tell you today. One is there's a lot of beliefs in the world, and I'm just saying, don't believe any of them. Don't believe anything anybody tells you. Nothing. You can read a science book and you can see those things for yourself and draw your own conclusions. It's the only way to not be wrong. Use your own head. Nobody is going to tell you a conclusion that's true that is going to be good for you. It's going to be good for them. The other thing I want to say is, when you're on a jury, you have the responsibility to judge the law as well as the defendant. Victimless crimes, drug laws. Drug laws are clearly in violation of the Constitution, or I thought we had a civil war to end slavery. And if I'm a free person, I own my bloodstream, and nobody's business what I put in it but mine. You can end this control, this slavery of Americans by just going not guilty when there's a drug crime on trial. Whoever, you own your bloodstream. It's nobody's business what you want to put into it. And the same with mine and everybody else. You have the right to judge the law. You do not have to follow the judge's instructions that if the person violated the letter of the law, you must find him guilty. That is not true. The law is also judged. The idea that you can write letters to your congressman and vote and have laws changed is ridiculous. Okay? The only power you have to protect us from the government is when you're on a jury. That's when you have the most power. That's when you can judge the law. That's what the framers of the Constitution intended. You're supposed to have 2 jury trials before you're convicted. A grand jury indictment, where they establish that a crime was in fact committed, the nature of the crime, etc., and then the jury trial where they decide if you did it or not, or the defendant. Okay, if you go back to the grand jury indictment, there's never probable cause because there's never a victim. All this stuff, all these people signing these, oh, we want to withdraw, secede from the Union things, and other people saying, oh, well, let's strip them of their citizenship and ship them out the United States, deport them. Then nobody needs to do that. You just need to know your rights as a jurist. Look it up on the internet. You obviously have access to it. See for yourself.